Today on Clean and Handy, it is time to vacuum those stairs. And as a professional, I love my full-size vacuum, but I gotta tell you, it's still a little bit heavy on the stairs. So let me introduce you to my little vacuuming buddy. Hey, trying to work here. This is the Dyson V8, and I really love to use this on the stairs because it's cordless, and it has really powerful suction and about 40 minutes of run time on the battery. You just unclick the nozzle, and you can use the wand to vacuum all that dog hair out of the corners and all in between the spaces that you just can't reach otherwise. So it makes pretty light work out of a big job. Hey, does anybody know where all this dog hair came from anyways? Follow the link below to adopt one today.